This task should be carried out by a qualified tradesperson. Please also ensure the power is completely isolated. You may need to remove the appliance directly next to your fridge to gain access to the screws. There will be 1 screw inside the fridge door and 6 screws going into the side of the fridge. 2 at the top and 4 at the bottom. You will need to wind the bottom fridge legs up by at least 10mm for ease of removing the fridge. Pull the fridge out carefully towards you. Once the fridge is nearly all the way out, you will need to tip the fridge back for the hook to pass. To remove the cover from the underside of the worktop, remove the 2 T20 torque screws. You will then need to remove the 10mm nut. Once this nut is off, the cover is loose, so be careful. You now have access to your hot plates to replace parts where necessary. Once done, replace this cover, repeating the process. Push the fridge back into place and wind the fridge legs down. Replace the 7 screws, securing the fridge back into place. 2 at the top, 4 at the bottom, and 1 inside the fridge door.